Yadhana msinda ndikuone mtunda reality fana 50 cent roko.
Wako ncheka zino.
Ha ndandiko zamuita ntro. Ndasumura lingo duwa ile I think ile adwaru giri. Nara then amsinda sumura relation ndo ndido ziyamba umuna if adafa.
Zamuza 50 cent.
Then ndo sumura adimani zakuma ufana nayo.
50 cent bo aye.
Mwana.
Okay, random zoto nanda fanya na like ndachi fanya na Davido. Iyo ngostendera.
Straight. No ndino ziyamba bo.
Ndiona watu nenda chiura.
Davido ndiko tenda.
Yeah.
No tomapo. Suzone. Ari ndingango it's fine. So Davido mumwe ndinyina ngodiza mama.
Zaudi budi ndifanya na watu wa Nigeria ngamana.
Actually ndandikozumura nanori homo notanga watu vasiri yangi.
Yeah, ndiye zino watu banji ndichidanga ngino chikwane abatendi nichawuzori ndimuvenda. Wafonga ndikozvipera nyane so.
Nanaraza tendi chitomwambio. Ura helati iwani ifi dictator iwana nanga uzokofi APK ngafa no.
Melville ngange. So zosikira akachijo stage ne nanga lockdown ngamana. Ndachiomba nochimbira.
Mwishawane.
Atina ona that things are xenophobia nyana. So now so ndachiwepa ndichiwa uchuwa nyano re kamsi na ngori vatu vambonori. Ndichiwa uzori ndimuvenda avatendi. So nande ndachiwa chuo chimbiro kamsi nande ndingatangana so.
Kamara na dorongo dochimira na basa ati. Uchifi mini soko raiva na
mara okay mara imagine zino nichiwa chimbira nisi safe. Nichiko offer, nichiko fonga re kamsi. Ungaitira zino zitizo so. But zazo nondo nozitanganeza. But unjine ndachimbira one especially watu wachifuma kazini ngamana. So you don't look venda. You don't. So then this is just a compliment.
And then people to Nigeria.
Because so no ndo 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 wana mtu achuma kazi na achi watu mari amina ngamvenda ndo because they were okay.
But then stereotype is on watu baba venda na Nigeria zvafana nyana besides Liwo.
Okay, yeah, comes
if you think about it.
Zine comes watu vine ziafa ziko kanganyisa nyana ngori watu wa Nigeria ndo walafu ura but net na movie liyo so ne comes mtandanga comes ichipatu
mara na Davido kichindi chifupi.
Okay, andikotenda ezo mara mostly avo ndi vatu vane vana mivili mulwane na mina so but net nezo the feature comes ndingatira na the feature means achipatu onuri comes ndingava ndi ndichivona sawa tu so
zvino ndikoita ndiko reversela zvino na 50 cent karishi ya Davido zvino
50 cent comes ngakwambarere
kezo
ndikwambare ningatendori zvinoenda mbarisa zvone vatu vaumbura kamsini ngavandi so ndinavamwe vadhiamo sorry like ndivona sale black american mara nazvino ndachilesa zvone lifestyle yanga chimwe na chimwe changa zvazviti zvapandi nendisedza ka vatu vangange
why zvisoma why ndikosedza vatu vangange una michini nakutama
lifestyle
I think what aibengange ndimagangster drug all those things zvine naanikuita
nechiti zazidhirag achitina ndipandikorocheka lifestyle fedzi uri vathu vahani vaambarisa hani ndifuna ngamutu ngamanda wambarisa ngamanda ndizviti zvine hatingotozvikombechedziwa zvosiko the out of nowhere hatina mukomana toana dzikhaladzi pedzi
kulwane
kulwane kane ndilast ball
anatanga yanga
hayi uchomutuku iwe ndingadondigofira nofira
iwe
serious
nini mulwane
azvoni
it's fine
ndingadondigofira so ubvapo ndatoma zvezvo sikotakarira zviambaro fashion ngamanda so ndachambara nazvamba zvamanigeria zvote namina zvote so
nothingnonga
dziroko nezvo zvile ndachambara so I think nazo izvozvo contributor vathu vambona ungari tiwafano nyana so and ndifunesa hip hop ngamanda muzika
I feel like outfitting it was
so zviti zvinonga izvoni zvonitutuwedzawo uri ndiravelesa ava la vathu
somebody inanatize uchifindiri niga ili
nendili niga 100% 110 azvisi zvine ndangatozvianedza kana ndazvishonera anokamusi vatu vazvisadzira pasi so no ndili niga line ndi-proud ngoriwa ndiniga and ndizvine ndavazviona ndiyazvifuna
studio
ndozama za record label nefriends dzanga dzote dziyaimba navathu vane ndopesa ndichiva associatana navo oberesa dzisuperstar varepa zvithu zvinonga zvezvo so bras dzanga dzendaalwa nadzo dzodzidamumba yachistudio mara nezorepawo asitozvanga zoimba muzika ndiyafuna ndinga like now ndina vathu vane ndiyakonodiva uriwo muthu ndi artist ndiyakonobona uri ini ndingava na muzika une ungatakadza vathu
ningotonsetsa pedzi
ndiwatondondiri vari wabvisa luimbo lwawalulidza ndingaufuri like ungakonova na potential yova something kamuzika ndizvine ndosari chiziwanusa letano uri ntonga ndina gifted yokono udiscovera muzika ngamani ngo nditifunesa muzika ngambilu namunhu so ndopesa richivo vula na record label dictator record label so zozoitia koriaitia mini ndonichizika ya university ne natangana navo vafetu vopambana navo vane University of Johannesburg apa Banting
Banting ndipi nendidiva APK Dorfontein na APB nasoweto APB fmini bindiyo ne Banting
Banting Road so APB BA mela Banting so ndo ndiko good public relation and communication in Nepal mandikuita zvezvinozogera zote same time so zviita zvona ndotangana vafetu vane vakuita muzika havana mumutangana inoita zadzivideograph so ratomoshumisana rote namina zote so ubvapo ndiapo nenichiona rino nabetikonorapa but then I have all these artists that are around me so ndapedza ndichiva vasendedza tsini ndapedza ndichiko ngori zvone vakuvona zvone most of the artists va reach out to me a lot vafetu vavenda like navadzina malwane vadakanatikonyangasvika
hafuanirofazinalaniakureach out uri ndinyi
no genge nji dzine nadzidiva dzavenda
niridiva mizo artist
kurana mizo unosvika point
ridega
rikwamba I think the album last of last year I think
hopefully not this one
not this one ngachisvinga akonyongoshuma na MT so
kanitori vatanganikaila ina daludi navo
p.o zvezvo zvithu zvazvadoli but before that zvezvo zvithu zvichite nazvino I think a month ago to rakozamona nawo uri ripushe zvinonga zvezvo rakozamona mupushe uri ava ka one man show ya MT so nazvo mara before that rari kunyangoshuma rumwe ruimbo adi office roshumana na achambura ndirachakile kana ndinyi olo rimbo lona ripfimini achitovani ndingasalombo and tikonyonga yakasichati nazvithu zvinonga zvezvo so but
the exclusive nyana futi
raludemo so osiona space so nenda kuti uri ndiambe na MT uri apange verse so tobona azingova successful mara ngari
why MT asakodharanga verse yamizo
kana asakodharanga verse remember mtu ari muzikani uva kushumwa business MT sorala usupporta family yawanga mini ngamzika kwazibona. So obviously let's say for example now enini kona nga connection ya mngomuthi kana nendi front yami ndi dura comes let's say for example ndikoto pasa tsumbo or muthu ade ukolilo ba comes to the producer yami ngangemrawo amba na producer yani ndikonyongo the interview ini nichaja 2000 or muthu ade interview ndikoto pasa tsumbo
nditsumbo guys nditsumbo wana mabari ba
nditsumbo so obviously if nendanga daka producer yani ndariyo ndikonyongo the interview mara ndo farab guy 1000 producer yani ngata mini anganyambela na yini and then
unorengetisana
so nenda ndikolavela sizvo nongazo so
mizoro farab guy KMT
then no it's okay no man okay then by that time ne MT for a verse just a verse obonyanga 15,000 ngaba less than 30 seconds
affordable
like it ngaba less than 30 seconds depend or how long it's going to be the verse kalimba was when so obviously if kara nikori nikombla ninyambele na mtu so obviously na nende totondo fara mini something so really ndiyam diva na ne one diva was bana dariyo mizo ndiwa hashu and the mizo ngandele na mfuna ngandi nyango mbona vela kota mini antangesa mvenda wa hashu because when so sinongazo but then I can't go there and I want to come and this ngofara something so ndizone zinezoita ori zimbo the fair
and then ngamba zori mizo nyamfuna ati it's funny enough because nane I feel like he's the greatest I've ever heard tika watu vanenda wafuna so what do you think of this new album if no nifa
okay
I'm sure you've given it a try
I did I love him so much it makes me feel you're one of the greatest artists from Venda
but
no I don't want to put but
the way he said he's like
no ndikoto mpa maflower ori Mizo Vele is one of the legends and ngomuthu ane me I said ndichibona sa ngakhanda ndenda diviso zone muzika I was actually saying at the shop like the album is great I just felt like for the past 3 years or 4 years Mizo Phil he was actually giving us okay not like he was giving us a good music but I feel like Mizo Phil I think there's a lack of bit of management in a sense direction like Mizo is great
true
he's great
that we can argue
that's ngasiargue namtu MT so I feel like now what zinezo shota Mizo is just one or two things I can't say he can go internationally but I feel like more Mizo at this point you are supposed to be reaching like nationally
ufunono peds
like all over national so zinoenda kozama amba zone zinoenda kotodo ozisumbesa nzori wanga seza album ya Mizo but what they feature wao they were too high and nanga senza album zote za mrao za 3 za Mizo Phil ndani kubona watu wati varachakeli vonyinyi
so it's the same people who recycle you
it's the same people over and over each and every time I drop album so zinezo koitori chekani okay no feature rachakeli ningaona ri fena za rachakeli na Mizo Phil ndi watu wati
which is me probably
so that means like ziko hindara ula hawe so nendichi zama uri ndibe ndiko pusha uri even andiko zama uri lo Mizo Phil kashuma na MT obvious Mizo Phil angashuma na MT
ngoda watu wa MT
ziko da ukona gainer more fan zanyi za MT so zikwamba uri Mizo Phil achaba mini muthu wa Venda phase now angadibona guy na Jobe so ndizinenda kwamba zonori Mizo Phil I feel like ndizinezo ko shortori at least category I feel like maybe ngaba last album yawe because he's been there.
I think he said in another song where he's gonna come back with another one.
Okay, even if let's say now for me from Neziko Bakan Ndiko Mizo Phil. Like if Karako do the album kana whatever EP. Like okay, let's say for example Mizo Phil now Ashumana Big Zoo.
Oh yeah.
Ashumana MT. Remember now we go Genamini. KZN okay nana Joburg
true
zine ana ela fan base obviously fan base ne aba na Joburg ndiri never Venda aba ne they were from Ayan mara if anga tumushuma na the artists the Joburg obviously zikwamba uko wana market from this side na market from guy Ayan no uzro na just a king
all the time
so ndikwamba zone ndizine zitu zine Mizo Phil andingasimamedzela makhazi she's international, she's a BET hour, but at least if he can be national, not like ave Limpopo pedzi
Provincial,
ndizvo zvinoenda kamusika rizosara kamizo. Album is a great album, and izvozvo zvinhu zvine zvakashota, and ndikufisa maybe management, like Mizo is a legend, so you need to get like good people around him. But like not to talk mona na wafetu vatukana vayani, no, come on.
Okay, just that you're saying it now, but then I think I had a shoot with Ufinyina, Romeo the Great White. The guy, Robert Aingochava, we should have him also. He has to come back. Because our comeback in terms of branding, or there are a lot of artists event that name. So I was branding. They're just everywhere. They're accessible everywhere.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It's hard. Yeah.
It's like now he's waiting for the new artist to come. To work with, like Nanga says, it's just like the artists in Swaziland very out of nowhere. Zinezomu wana ene achewaone, zatomosha ena shumanazo.
Yeah, like your Goosebumps,
all those things. Vojar play. But people very of okay, I don't know about them, but they just people ne rotomo ba divaskare.
Yeah,
Mara Orukidi, no, ndibatu asovane. Obviously, they are not there for 5 years. Like, for the 5 years,
5 years,
and they want to like Naga says this as news ideas most all the time. Mizo feeling now Oba Koshuma as a new artist is in go very out of nowhere.
Yeah.
But he should be like far like Ndri no when I'm trying to up Fumao ane achasugalera.
Yeah.
And it baranom for any.
Yeah.
I feel like Mizo over catch the stage musically.
Richa
kono msukelela anobantanta
like have to go through the corners
ndiri utowana channel nena totowa khayo ndiri not ndisikuvuja phone now ndifone mizo ndikonyanga verse
that also I'm sure mwamu wakonomfonera kombera verse.
That's what I'm saying. Or like obviously the way onoba ngayo so mtu kana mwana mwaso ku for now onowana ku fame nyana kana over attention ngabathu
ko
text mizo bonyanga features ndiri sinonga zvezvo zvine mizofuna anoba kule nazo ndiri zvavudi ofuna anodhibvisa achipotoselect rokonyangoita nanyi muzika.
Yeah. Karufu watonga zvino mari kudo zuri kutongera mini
zichikomufanelo ratonga.
Yeah, exactly. Hey man, I think from Trane, that's on expect to diva Suzwa Venda, so like music of Venda when you're
no, tell them
the guys mentioned your JR players, your rookie, so
no, they were trying in their bumpana. Now, muratwanga mando watamba music ya Venda ngama.
Oh yeah.
Ne otamango like music ya Venda, it was never my thing.
Oh.
Even our MT and all that, that's music I nenda utechele. Nenda chiteche music ya USA phase. Like even trendset yanga. Ngona chibone some music video ndichibona zina bambara zone na zithu.
Ufinyi Omarion obambara soka supposed to be.
So this is
like I feel like the same
or Romina jacket Rochain. So this is ndandondalwa ndichizilabelesa ngamanda.
Yeah.
So yeah, ndikufesori yeah. So zvinanga so muratwanga oziwa koziliza shop pala. Nyimbo zezi so ndasoko bampana nazo. Ndaba ndikomuzo nomuzo ndarina muzika waso ofuna uita so. Muzika ndio diva ngamanda.
Yeah.
Like nampusina ngatamba muzika zvino apa ndingani muziro na this one is a hit.
Okay, I get you.
This one like I don't know the one in the studios winji na watu banji wafambana nabo kuita muziki. Like I could really tell like this one is a hit. This one is just some music. Okay, you're gonna get there. Yeah, and there's never to come to banji wakona faces. Abune muzika ndizingisi zine utona ifeeling eli abaliko div. Ni abantu kufuna muzika mara ifilani watu basoko kono enjoy azabuti.
Oh.
So zinongazo zo wakono tozilebele so omtu
ondapo ni adazi ghost writer urishuma nuto ngwala zvamba
yeah ngori zinena abazoni muzika vele ngokona mara voice yano asione ne bathu vananga itakalera zvabuti.
Then anyways guys, that was just kustarta yana record the divana. So we coming at you live from Panda Studios, you know, NEPA 38 Mill Street, Bramfontein. If you want to contact them for what they need the live show to the podcast they don't only do indoors. Now, you can invite them. You can contact them on 010 023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then, also, I feel like he's the first guest after getting our sponsor. So, yeah, shout out. Yeah, we have a sponsor. Can you sponsor?
ndo ndichizviita but
Why not stop?
ndichendoja break not ndostopa. We usually donate shoes.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah, Rias Colony ndazvigara donate free haircuts. Give out nadzi nazvienda zvava nachiko. But at the moment richerei manyana rova na challenge nyana from last year rari kuti zviita but then rapedzisira but yeah, we're still on it.
Okay.
And it's like enough in this industry, they want you to be part of the thing.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
Most definitely, yeah.
And a lot of people are never run, they really see that we are
no potential, I mean.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna come back to it.
No problem.
So also our sponsor of device MR21, as we revealed on the previous episode. So here's what they offer, guys. Like I've seen funerals and then I feel like they are one of the best, guys. So if Niyaga or one the funeral, you wanna do the insurance and the policy you can go there. Number of the also. So yes, have you lost a loved one? I know it's never easy, but then at MR21 services, we understand the importance of celebrating the life with respect, care, and personalized attention. So there is in your shoes at MR21, just a few things: compassionate care, that's what they give you, customized services, as I mentioned, and then affordable options, and then also they are available 24/7. So I don't know if you are so you can contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or can contact them on their 24-hour cell phone on 061-509-0775. MR21, true respect. So, back to you, man. Numbers to Zwinjiti. So, I was asking myself, for whom now comes Vavenda and Mini? Numbers are Nayana Jena EJ. Sounds like now to Angabachi Vaga. In Vavenda Street, you grow up somewhere around here.
No, Luchela Venda, and the Jeanette Colo primary Venda, the Jeanette school Venda. And then it's pass a metric and
and then I just found out to resign him the Nema party. So now do some Nivama party, my party.
No. Niba Gaba for night.
Gab. Oh, Musangweni.
Yeah. And then the Chiro, and then the Chidi. I don't know the art hasn't very. The Mutamura, man, this is another movie.
But I'm out of and anyone who know rope line.
As I was going to say, I'm Bratwang and Umeka shows. I'm around the Muzori, one of our queens.
Yeah.
So, as you know, as I'm a village artist, teacher store, then Drina, this is not was in the this is Nandy, make a show and this and the Murana. Zunam some Tatam and the Snuggle. I think I was entertaining. Dumbuditos and Brown, that sharp.
Mostly what we need about number 40. I feel like what you're watching wrong and you are you that person? Well, if I think you're going to Vaza. Okay,
no, that's in the yeah, very ndangakatwa ndiyadina mara titova ndichikotoda kusvikira kacho stages no one else is that I can lose at the moment. So
protect a brand yangu.
Ndiko protect a brand yangu. Ngori ndiko chimira ndiso ndono a brand. So anything that can happen now I want one case on my name. So ndizito ndiko zamo avoided by all means. So anything zinenda want kuzibona ore ezo zingantse zikonsiya ka situation ine singafedza unobana something on my name ndizvinendiko zamo avoid ngandira zote.
Okay, and then speaking of the brand, I believe branding on Dictator, which is the weirdest name ever, man. I don't know in terms of the salon, the barber shop, like why go with Dictator?
Nickname yanga ndi Dictor.
You mean Dictor?
Dictor.
Yo vage.
Ando rinonga mkomano wanga.
So mkomano.
Wamemuru somewhere there. Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah. Okay, come here ngavele nakotsia ngati namkomana ndine mtukana ndote. But inawakomana from the other side with nirashara sa name rote.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah, ndakutwa mtuka. I think ndakutwa primary mudere Dictor. So what one bizori ma Dictor, whatever. So na Facebook yanga Dictor the Baba man. So ile dzina ndile nda alwa watu wachimbiza ngalo.
Yeah.
So ndizvi ndichivo decide zvezvo ndinova ndichivo jeneke industry ogera mavuzi.
Uri onamada
Dictator barbershop. So watu now ndifi Dictator.
And then ukamazogena kaindustry ugena yogera mavudzi you also spoke rini ujena nkazogera mavudzi izvi zvinozviguda gaini zvavudzi kuti
I'm a self-taught ndotozvitunira ndotozvigudisa nemune wazvo and ndazotoma samuswaswa bad izvi zviti ndakutotova I think I was in grade 8 yeah
noita ke
ndaita Ndodeni secondary school
ndaningegaba
ndigaba so zvoita yani nendaulwa ndindote mianga nakotsanga vava ngeno Joburg
sestere dzazika
asestere naye wavangeno omumwe mutuku enda
ane ubukati yawo
yeah. So opasa grade 12 nga 2006
nditanga yanga
alright irandipe kazus okay
yeah sisters
yeah dakalo uzwa Alex izvo
ndinefa
so ambodida ngena koda chikoloni so now ndasala ndinti so ndi muthu anendo alwa ndindo so zvaitiwa ndizori kosanga ni muthu wazikonjongonjo ngamonth wazikonjongonjo avola vathu vanosikudza kurenga
renga zvipatsi kuitwa zvithu zvisiyo
ndiri kosiyanga zvino kana ndingonyongofata ndingasikana ifata chimwe na chimwe trusingo na imwe yabvelela ayani chipeidi bara mini chakachaka zvothe zvezvila trofolo mini zvothe ndizvo zvinhu zvine kosiyanga vadzura vanazvo so ndaringo dhiwa ndindori ndasikotangana zvigero ezvo zvigero ndaziva ndatoma ndogera imwe bra yanga zvezvo ndimechanic if you got man nandibra yanga ndaigera lovata vafa ndagera mwe muratu wanga anozviva ntahashu anopfumisa maumera ndamugera imwe kati inetesiyonevembraulungu ola mutanga sewa but chikolo nane ndaziseya mara by that time because hausina zvino ndakoluza zvonenga icho chipinga so ubvapo uchiita izvo zvithu ndatoma uva beta nyana after a month or 2 ubvapo ndatoma uchaja 7 rand kugera ndichigera chiya chipinga nyana 10 rand 10 rand ezo zigero zvote zvafa ndada makuwani nyana ndashuma public phone nga holiday zikolo zovhara like chikolo chichivhara tizino ndindoteyani zikolo chichivhara ndidagai na vatu vote ndashuma nyana public nyana ndarenga zigero nyana namukeguru vachidhimpa nyana chaide namin yorenga zigero ndabierera chiberera ndagonya 15 20 rand 25 until zvavudhibudhi yesu tu ndore ndichidangeno UJ andichisvika UJ ndajena first year yanga yova iDroffontein ndajena Droffontein ndarichitogera vafeitwa nevane ndakudzwa nevoresa
nondana zvigero zvaya
that time ndasina ndava nazvo ngondojena gap year nga 2016 ndopasa matric nga 2015 2016 ndava ndikuja gap year ndava ndisikudzulo sinenda kuita and then ndorija license and then 2017 ndava ndikotoma first year yanga DFC ndava ndikogera zvedzi vafeti namina zvote so ubva apo ndatova ndikotoda Banten APB so ndichisvika ngeAPB ngangomstudent center pula ulaona salon but hausina muthu anokogera hatona kuti vanokoluka pedzi so ubva apo ndasvika ndajena kaplus salon ndaactongari ndikonyongodogeriwa nyana so ndandodogeriwa varaona muthu anogera ndari ndiyakonogera mavudzi ringashuma rothe na avula musadzi vari avanotaidzo ndari ndazvigero zvanga neno vari vana zvigero nane ndanazvo anga by that time ndanonorenga nyana zvigero so ubva apo vari ridwa ri kushuma 50-50 ndiri kati 50 rand ndandikuona 25 rand ndavafavona 25 rand ndiri kubhadhara rent ngacho chipinga so mind you ndikodhiva klasini ndikoya klasini chibva klasini ndaviya ndagera so ubva apo I think 2018 zvava samos 2019 ndisupose ndatoma uva serious ndaya training yanezvike ndiprofessional yogera ndina certificate chogera mara not ndore ndikotogudisiwa zive na valid uri ndizvithu zvine ndazviita zvone for profession ndaatenda from wall it was a day training I think like 4,000 a day by that time ndandoseva nyana chelete ndoseva almost 2,000 ndafonera mukeguru ndari mukeguru nazvo zvaso zvine zvokutoda uyakazo yavandadzisa mukeguru and then ndaya ndachatenda so bvapo ndagoinisa nyana namutengo nyana so zvava serious so ndavesa too much busy ndatomofera
chikolo
abe ndandograduate haya ndisadhivina zori ndofeira mara ndofeira module mutii no ndandichikona okay zovona like ngori ndograduate mwa muthihi like vathu venda nayo classini vagraduata nga-april so ndagraduata ngo-september so zova zingwa muthihi so avangokona uzivona ezwa zwithu but yeah usukene ndandichivovesa busy kasi yalogera then chipinga chichava chinji kazva chikolo mara nandonomeka decision yori ndizvinoenda kutoda zvone izvi like cause ndava ndikuita ndikufesori I don't see myself anywhere ngaye cause like ndofundisa divori nditograduata but ndava ndaita mini ndinosaida ndikotoda mushumo samumwe namumwe but then likely enough zvendagudhera zvone ndizvinoenda koziapply akabusiness yanga I did public relation and communication. There's part of marketing, like there's part of branding and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
So ndokonofata brand yanga ngandila ine auchina watu Joburg yote hapo. Even now nata jina ka Google na best barber in Joburg.
Yeah, pop up.
Like top 3 or top 5. Actually number 1. They won like ratings. Dictator barbershop on K1.
Yeah.
So ndiyezo zinenda ndokonoshumisa zitu zenda zguda classini for ubuilda brand ya.
Oh, we comes back to that thing branding. Kama sona dzindwa nchazikoda.
Yeah, ndine ndikozama ndiadiva zitu zwinji nga branding. So that's why I now ndisanya good associate na zitu zvine zvidonga zida affect brand yanga. So ndia make sure namusikara ndandikoto act in other way. Ndia baro act nga yeyo ndira because ndina zitu zwinji zvine ndikoto protect. Ndina vashumi pasi yanga so sorry so ndanga affect us so atuko affect and ndindote ndiko affect us zwinji
na milomo yatu no
na watu wane vakoto vakushumira pasi yanga so ndanga ita so and then brand yanga yawa sikombo ndikopula na mishumo yavamwe vatu vane kushuma kana.
And then do you guys ever realize uri ni wanofara femini courage ya mtu wa mtukana zvabudibudi
kamanda
because ndoenda zvirealize la uri havana they either decide whether we get girls or not. Because apparently there's this thing where after a haircut, we are in straight, as long as my shopping and all that, just because you guys do a great job. So sorry.
Very I blame the barber. I hope my girl won't blame me, but she will blame you.
Yeah, obvious.
For making me look the way I look. But the next
so you'll encourage cheating?
No, I don't. I took all tutweza mtu atezo job.
Then ninga tori kati komba minyana so that asonga chita mtu. Because ninga chita kati komba.
Asuzune zabakarine. Naleta mshuma wudi rikobadilwa service nera gaita yone.
Yeah.
So as yo karino reta suzobifa ngoribone badeta mini bachibogeriwa.
Yeah.
Ukabone na mtu awori badodilisani nazo. Ne mara bari ko make sure bone batamini. Banake oneke let's say for example na bako interview.
Oh yeah.
At least bako teto abonaka. Okay, graduation. There's never no one about those born or one and cover and graduation.
Yeah.
So now, because I want to kati na suzo komba mama. I say was so motive is the baka whenever no decided as pionga haircut. But it doesn't have a zone zori whenever we takala wana.
And then have you ever messed up a haircut?
Yeah, it happened. Like no comes to I was facing go gera mabozi. Okay, nezo ndia gera. Ndia gera ngandira inela inenda bagera baduzifundo bagera. I said no doubt. Actually ndira muntu ambudzo uri ndia gera kana mini.
Ndimigero ni.
Ndina mwa ya 60, ndiko fara mwa ya 16 ndiko gera. This year.
Yeah.
So ndinogera sa watu wafambana nao.
Bathoza different.
Bathoza different.
Ani say ndiko gera? And say you go get sometimes. Hey,
I just say like it's just a normal thing. Like you're just a normal person. I'm a normal person. Go get her go amba, but ndi make a show. Or ndi wa gera ba bebo takana. And then that wa then ndi go gera mutu. That's where catch stage na ne. Bone ba satu mbuzo re khatu ndi wa gera zwabudi. Ne munhu ndi bandu ko esedza kachibondre ya.
Ati ndi go ido.
Ndo idodza.
That's straight.
Ndo idodza.
Yeah.
Ndizine ndagera ngayo. That's why ndopona nickname ati baba mbuzo 5-star baba. Ngachipinga changa ndikuto vana ndara zvakukuma. Ngori ndosukela ne ka stage sendo tozifori. This is the career inenda kwatodo focus akayo. Ndikofori it's a calling to me. Ndizisi zvine ndizvikane and ndizvita ngozvifuna. Like ndasaya ndimushumoni aunongofetu nenda fori ndiyatakala ndione
chamborapo kunibhora pa
ndinonombura customer dzangu
yeah but at least manoambozori navashumi so at least ni apa
business ikochimbira vele but nendinepetinoafosori it's like mushumoni wanga is my happiest place to be.
Yeah, true. I don't know the takara
iwo takara vari mushumoni mara nanendi mushumoni ndifore ndione fetu nenda kotakala vahona ndiri namusi ndichivhuva ndiri ndikuya mushumoni ndiri namusi hatoona zvimwe zvitu zvine zikonjia dhuva lote ndifandise right
vakulenga vatu
not like say for example ndikotiita zvimwe zvitu now ndamushumo ndiri like
someone ndingasiya home affairs because maybe it's going to take long there
ndiri kutova early appointment. I remember last time ndikuita passport ndotoyanga machiro make sure that tainze ndibve but now sichadhina ngorotoona dzi appointment
lazotobuka chipinga but it doesn't work in vendor apparently.
I don't know about
it, not even apparently it doesn't work.
I don't know about vendor. Yeah, so zenda nenda ndejia ndobuka ndasika jienda home like let's say for example maybe utona function ine idonjera dwa lote
somebody invite you minyanyani you hate that thing
andingaya from shumo
uyogera
yeah, uyogera
I'm getting married and going to invite
I'm losivo nitova tsin and I wouldn't mind ndingada but then just for fun nenditova mushumoni like tova ndikushuma
and then the way inafunanga yogera that day nkongera tinanokambozori you did a run around vendor with the barbers.
Yeah,
so what was that thing all about?
Reta dictator barber tour. I think that was 2 or 3 years ago. Man, like ndingasitinomudzore ndina influence khulu ine ndava nayo from ugera like ndonochinja life ya vathu vanji ngori aim yanga ndichi decide zozogera ndozivona uri like vathu sizogera havazvidyeli ntachoto yeah ndiri like ndikotozviita just for ndizviite nyana so ndendozvidyia ndazvihwara ngela ndira ine mumwe namumwe vozvivona sacareer zvino handingasindibvunze how many people did I inspire from home from vendor but they look up to me kasi yalogera today vamwe vodrop out of college vofocus akazogera vamwe vopedza dziuniversity mara vofocus akamini kaugera ngazvine vazivona through ne kuri ndozivona ndaribona ndichikovona lifestyle yavathu vaenda kovavona America these guys are living they're driving such big cars and all that ngotogera mavudzipedzi ndari let me be the first one ndive kotoma ane ndikonyanga kusumbisa vathu uri today ndina vathu vanatenda 4-5 or more than 5 vane vodhiswa ngavo miyavo navakotsi yavo ndina course nendaiti yokugotidzisa kugera vathu mavudzi vane vodha vachikozivona uri now there's a career and ndizviti zvine ndandozviaim uri I want to be an example kamumwe muthu I believe uri kugera mavudzi nazvo ndicareer
ndizvakamuitira chelede atochira zvakukuma
ndikambori ndingabhadhira vathu vanji vanokoshuma musoro atikojoka man
ndikonimudzeserious ndori mini ndingabhadhira paradioni venahana kwe mumwe dhodhifimini so there's always that thing guys
ande vathu vanje ndingavabhadhira madididzi ndingavabhadhira man
ndorurisana vati
atikotorwavo kana tikotoflexa kana mandikotohamba ngowo zvine ndisindosara ndichizidiscovera ngamurawo ri like I'm living a life like ndiso I bought a house last year ngaugera atikodzula fetu ndikotorenda ndikodzula mudhini wanu
unendovhura garachi kare garachi
ndiri kara ndikofori now ndonoita ngoshuma ndingarengisa ndundatuwa ndodzula venda ndachira churanga like zvitu zvine ndava nazvo at the moment atikwambori ndina 100 million bangani but my assets zvitu zvinene ndonozi acquire ngaugera they're worth a lot of money like millions and millions like that decide already now donator I want to retire from cutting zote ndangazvirengisa now I'll be sorted.
I didn't expect this man ngotomamba dzimillioni
atikotoamuri
no I get it in terms of assets
assets yeah so
because that's still a lot man
not millions I
know
yeah
still Some of this, and then are you sure you're just cutting it? There's nothing you're doing shady out there, because also there's that thing in Atwadambori. No, these influencers, this was what people are doing this, and then they don't tell you what they do behind your backs.
Nah, auna zviti zvinoenda ngazviite ndenda ngari zviillegal. Ano atikomba ngo nendingwana nendolwa kirikeni ndolwa na baby ndina mikwa like vatu vane vabva gaba vandiva or how did I grow up ndingwana wa hani na mina zote. So as zviti zvine comes ndingatoma uzviita zvino ngasiya la chelede ndatingwalwa mudhino pfumo wawo ne comes ndingawana pressure yori comes ndisikelele zazvimwe zvitu nenditanganedza kuti zvine ndava nazvo today ndizvo zvine ndotozvishumela and ndizive mudzimu vavo tozviplanira sorry nezvithu zvote ndotozvisvikelela. So I don't think ndingajia to that extent rune ndingatomaita zvivi uri kana nditizama uzama uita chelede ngandiri ya fasting asi zvine azviwo mulayo no nechelede yote nendava nayo ndizvithu zvine nditoshuma nendiyagera uba 7 o'clock emachiloni until 11 or 12 emadekwana ndichikogera from morning.
Yeah, I remember that day it was packed because nichidhaza tu vana vanje ndadzura
and zvira sudhara zvona vaninione like shopuni yanga wadhara to extend une vatu vabudzwa ngangoma ngavabudzwa ngamta remember
pale petu ngavala
and richikogera and
that's why often nditomi ndinifone nditi appointment
ukuzvona ngori omtu unibudza uri ni the kind ozdiva uri wadhara
chilofo
mwana mukala okay anyway ozovini rishera madzina
na dimani
rifi mashudu rote
ini feel like inje
ndifi like
nsonoro research venda
ndifi like ngeno makuani venda ndifi mashudu ngeno ndifi like ina dictate venda ndifi mashudu ngava nenda twarwa navo nondiwa but everyone vandiva nga dictator kana
awola rine rundiva nga chilofo
ezo tizidivi za chilofo don't tease so ndafesori azvisizvinende ngato to that extent unenda nga ita suzvi before uri ndiwane chelede atingwaluwa fetu une comes in the first nditova ndiko computer na vamwe vati nenditanganedza zvezvo zvine ndava zvone and ndifuna zvine ndava zvone not now nditome ndikodivambedza na vamwe vatu rini inofara mini nenamini
I wanna be like this one
no nendikochimbira lane yanga ndikoita zvine ndakonozvisvikelela zvine ndazvifuna kuzvana vamwe vatu ne obviously so nandodecide orenga ndu ngeno chikwana umwe dombudzo uri awani singofata ndu yani
ngechipinga yani nyanga December pedzi
nimiyanga nokotsanga vadzura yani vavaviri kotsanga vafata ndu ndichena rumu mwana muwashu una rumu yawe
saona ni idea imwe
not aona ni ndidoita ngachipinga changa zviti zvanga ndikofesero zvisharp not now ndi aliwe nga mihumbulo ya society zori at this time unonoshuma ndingoti rifata yani ndingotoita mino nendidoita zvanga ndizvo ndezvo zvofona pressure vone wana 29 kana wana 30 kabo mara muti kaita zviti ngachipinga for already nozviita ndizvo nene contributory nanosikuona kuti vakomara and then vapedza vasingotadzura vote ngachipinga chine ngori now vatu vakozama kufulfilla the rules dza society kana dza community vasati ready noita zvitu
bone vanhu
because so it's better ukochimbira nga lane yawo ukofora okay ndinova ready nomara zvino do it. It's on you, not like now you have to do it because like now baby bari anono mulwane wa inside this is so but then it's your own life, they live their own life. So na bone kawetendo riba channel buchiro abo ngandile ine bone botoda buchiro abo buchibanga.
And then also rarka debanga dzintu ngade tour event that so since you went there I mean so ndiwapi vatu vena ngatori I would recommend these guys so if ni event you get around because era na dzingwe problem njisa ngati
okay
remember le dwari kwamba ndo muzori mungu nkomba misa
okay okay no era ndiambe samgere ne ndikwamba samgere ndiyemela bagere so zinotineti tizufuni ne ndomba mumgeri ngandila isiyone
no odamba ini nimgeri ngomugeri and then ndako number mara okomba misa maybe obojai
okay tisino abe auto officers tinongaso sone
onathenga saidi
zine thoughts yakonda so that's why ndikobuzori zivakori kono an experience ogumagayi udiva ugerisa ndiri na mabudzi opambana utodiva kodiva type yemabudzi ndegera mabudzi amakuwana isu zvinonga zvoese because so obviously toyawo ungadziona kamusi yotombhalelavo nokuti uri akoni kugera iwo kamusi toya uyo
andonifarira mune
okay nendasegonyagomeshena madzina varispa kariyo
kotozitondodzivamoandikamunyanyani kau otondoja ngecho chipinga so nakau is to blame
its fine era ndimbudzire zvine zvaiteera ndichiyakato mutu okay zavudi vudi uri vathu nevavhenda vandive zvavudi bomo
unlimited
that guy ndikomupa maruva avana musi ka black couch uri yobom womuplaka and then ndizvine ndava zvone ngaiwe so zvizaita ndizori lockdown ichiva on so ndendobva bantenda ya ndasvika ndari dma bomo kaifacebook yo let me come pull up and then do gera ndamugera and then we rashutanyana music video so vathu vanonga voka vomune vondiscovera through bom so ubvapo mune ndimutota nenda lockdown ndichipinga chinendo ndosifori ndoitesa challenge nandivenda chachipinga tizi zvikolo zvazovhara so ndayayana so ndachigera vatonobva dididi valamulele thando hothe vachikodhagaba ndiyezvo zvendatoma arusi ndonendatoma
auti vakudhisani ngori bhadha
facebook avakochimbira vatu vakochimbira taise ndori navo mudzisaloni dzovhara thando nendikogerera dzerathani anikonani
inanikokavala vanikuchimbira bhadha ini zvanozviright
azviright but zvovazviright inenda kuenda cherede so mune adhidha nenageriwa ubva afa mudhiriyo hemina ndikotamo zogera mbva nefaradhigudisana kawa richauto nendo zvavudhivudhi ndodha nezvithu zvevhende zvazisiyiwa ndotomodhana dzireza ndotomodhana spray ezvo zvose zvote
kauri wosokufafadziriwa
nezvine achatozvitakarire sezvazvingo ndikuzivona uri vathu avachatogera zvakukuma vakozamudzumbama kazvispray ezvo nenane ndichigerera kuti fafadzeliwe zvazviti nendiprefera kati yeclean yonama ngori ndikwavana vatu vakudzumbama so ubvapo vathu vanji votomori richauta ndina vatonobva makonde vai vatobonderana kalockdown avona avala vana variyo vobudzwa ngaramsey ariyo namwe mutanga vagaba nokugera bada ngeniyo nomucheka ndavagudisa nyanda vafa few things ndimajantibai ava makonde ndava nanyimumwe nakaone na-reach out from bomo mune nena vakuumbira zvogudisa ogera and then ubva nepara achitekera from there ubvapo nemwe mutangano va achivulani mara zvino ungapula ufitendo neno vakugera avanawo wajerusalem brotherhood so avala vatu ndivati vane they look up to me so ndizvinendatasitakarisa ngamanda muthu anonga kawo oziva mudhi namusi ndikalo kugera mara
ozamori kaunotomongera nga 2014
nendasazvidivi mara ola munhu amba naye and ubva side yene ndabva kayo mara opfurukira anenge anogodzurawo nezvinhu so ndizviti nendozvithonipa ne ndofusori ndimurwa nekhandinga mimwe and ndikala kaindastry yogera mara otendogudha zvithu zviswa angavona ola muyori nendikale ndikugera ndingasigudiswe zvithu ngavana namina zvacho so ndizvimwe zvinhu ndozvirespecta kaya nendovona uri ndimutumurwane ndazvirespecta kaya izvo zvithu so but vavenda like most of the people they really reach out to me zvinonga zvigero zvizvo like I came with all this thing called less thinking ndizvona vati ndinandavapulaka ndiri venda they look up to me I'm like the father of vageri vavenda
ne zvamura zvamake sense nimillionaire
okay zotiesawo kori mini ne ndovanaola mumbulo wori brand itio asi ndiri like uri nini aluwe so unamwe muthu arimulwa nekaina nokuita the same thing so you have to reach out to those people vane to get more knowledge so nendizvinozvizvo nendozise nendadisina muthu anenge andikoguta kamara ndadikotosedza vamwe vathu vane vantha kazvinendaita zvona so zvendazvigudesa ngamanda ndi branding ngazvendaguda zvona chikoro ndavona uri what do I need to do to grow up I cut a lot of celebrities
true
so ezvo zvithu zvona zvine ndozvivona this can work out for me so ndichivogera bomo fogera bomo ndichivuya ndagera MT chigera MT ndagera matho like actually muthu anenda totori over turn around yabuchilo anga ndi MT that guy is big is big. That fan base in MT abanayo, people don't really know it.
So what happens there? Do you approach him na remu na niye kunigera kana odito wana inivo through wangu watu na any other?
That time ndo ndichife dzogera bomo. Ezo sizotoma klika mumbulo ndo gera bomo ndo wana watu for certain people through that.
The thing we're speaking about means urini wana fan base ya abo watu.
Yeah. So ndazibona no, okay, ugeranga bomo zoito rendi wane this certain type of people. That okay, fine. Then ndabuya ndagera ni MT Robert Yagori, Ndamo Mtangane Ndazone RS is a photographer, Tom Sechis. Shout out my brother. So Olamtanga Ubana Fresh Kumkano Obosaino under MT Records. So Aboruko shooter Flash. Ndamgera. Ajisika Flash yo ogeronga nyona kabu katiandu kaitam arno ngeronga Mtangane Ndazone RS. Nenda geranyi Flash. Flash ra Olampiga na Jaznepe. Ajiposte Jaznepe MT ajisle Jaznepe. Ajiposta. Poster, I'm the one who did the haircut. So then I said, yo, now I have to make sure in the getting
MT
that, yo, can you talk to MT for me? Then, okay, cool. So the day that I'm getting, I go shoot a music. Yeah, I go shoot a music video.
Okay, well, do you know which song is it?
Actually, I forgot. I go shoot this other guy, artist from Nigeria. I think it was Superstar or whatever, but Popstar, something like that. It was back after lockdown, I think 2021. So over upon this door, Mugera, and then that YouTube video and stuff like that. That's like a video and then in a highest views, like over.
MT.
Yeah, 12,000 views. So over Apple, that's where I gain a lot of followers. I gain a lot of people. Like Fenezote is MT. They wanna reach out now, they wanna come back to the Gerwangan. So over hapo ndo nenda tomoba na watu banji. Over hapo nda DM mato same thing ndaenda mgera.
Atomoda watu wabola.
Wabola.
Tondono wabona. All those guys.
Yeah. So the other things ngari yeah. Those type of people are naturally. But then there's a charity because on the English showing of young famous in Africa.
Oh yeah, here now Diamond Platinum.
Diamond, Louis, Swenky.
So nazo ingo giro.
Yeah.
Ngaini.
Ngamanda.
Was na portion go giro. I'm like, oh my god, dictator.
And funny enough,
yeah.
Swenky, like a lot of they do have attitudes.
Yeah.
You know, those celebrity type of thing.
Yeah.
Because remember, I was about to reach over here at Badirunga.
Oh, so into
production. So, like enough, not past smart enough, those guys I was charging them in dollars.
Oh. How much is the one cut?
$5,000. So like it was like $56, $57.
So $56 cut in tea. Yo. Yes.
So yeah, and then she convert a car then he go here.
They come 516 times 2 ngani.
Yeah, so those guys so ingi ndi mtu abachigera angagera lubilo luraro ngabeke.
Why?
Remember abala batu for sure babodero abudzuro. Ola mtu arukonyango yo oya guys in uto this transport ya mujia nangoni ayona kwa yaone chotoma drive abiki so ingi flat yako zura Sentence City
yeah
I think per night flat yako zura is like 14,000
so a cut here 1,000 is nothing
aba badly to production is paying everything so zineva bako sibona ko squad pay zero okay bako shooter today memorandum wa bako abuzeri. You have to get a haircut. You have to get a makeup. You have to get someone who's gonna iron your clothes. You have to get someone other than Zamba. So me, the production people just the Swenky una shoot today. Like the cast is out and then they go make a show and go and get. Some they go open Brew Studio and go get running gay. They got your own go to the flatten down. So what when I go Diamond on do Princeton. Louis in the most of the time said then the hotel and yawe kana studio and then Swenky uzura a hotel so tipinga choto la mtatu ko shoot ndiranga shoot raro kana lubili ngabeke all the time achiko shoot ndiranga shoot na mzafuka machelo ngala dewa litebela washiko shoot over the bag
mambo gerro mini
And then
What do you even do?
I just do the touch up, but then I need my full amount of money.
Yeah.
So the other thing, I will watch about ungasika about asiko de dele.
Ngotemgera.
No demgera.
And asivuweni ngasimuvusa na yena.
And then your cast then reach out to the production team Rio. I remember this other time to go to Academy then this week. He was busy with something. He was
something
like
what, ladies?
No. I was busy when I was away. Tina was born as artist. I want to batonga.
Yeah.
Batonga man. They're like, wow. Ndrino amba na anyone so come na. When go to communicate, you know, to chimbila ngango.
Yeah.
But like funny enough, these people now do talk on WhatsApp and all that.
Oh, yeah, man, a Diamond. Not Swinky.
Oh, the Swinky is one of my closest friends.
Oh.
So.
What if he makes a move on you now?
I know, I'm straight.
Yeah, he's not, but he's your friend. Yeah, now close.
And
no, I'm just saying.
No, there's nothing I could do.
Although better in dollars,
I'm fine. Nah,
okay.
Sharp.
Yeah.
So sinongazwezo. So ndoichi ndichisvika abasikuti yogeriwa. Arina odogeroka production richisvika studio. Now I need my full payment for me to go to his house and then I odogero studio. So now I have to charge them twice. For me to go there and then there's some gere. And then like I can't just leave whatever that I'm doing for free. That's why now my haircut's like now mutawa kwenye house call. It's $1,000.
As compared to 130,
yeah, like I'm leaving the shop. What if I'm now to 10 when I go to a garage shop?
And then also the time in a waste and which
so now I want to go here 500 and I miss about 10 shop. That's a loss for me. I want to go gain a zone. So for me to leave the shop, I need 1,000 up front.
Yeah, ne?
Or you see that you give me 50% and then when I'm done, you give me another 50%. But then I have my lawyer people. But when I'm trying to on to say somebody uchiloni I know play a role na that guy used to pay me a lot.
Over 1,000.
Even today, like I'm funny anytime. I watch Konyanga haircut, I'm funny and anyway whenever I want. That's how much impact of our company. That man that I'm gera. Like I'm in the gera and I'm coming now kind of 1 or 2 people there. I'm for 2.5.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of money. So that's why I'm like I'll be grateful for Batubanongaba so bane they were supportive ndimuvenda now ndimuvenda. So ndibanga watu nending asiba hangu bichiloni yango they really played the role in my life. Like so empty ndakutomuzoriyo. Bra ever since ndichibugera iwe like my life changed. So ndistungu nending so hangu. And we are close, like we were very very close with empty. He's my brother. And what say mana na genge ya oriyo. So then dictator get an automa guys, so no guys was win. You guys are playing.
Yeah, ne?
Why don't you guys hustle the same way and I go hustle
yeah.
It's something like that. So on this news obviously go for empty I go guides nga abare around where kai ngane this news ndizulu ane khaneso.
Yeah.
Because one.
And then also one question I have to do you ever have or do you ever pay the same attention in a pay a car also in your diamond namsing go get on there?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
Like I want to I mean it's like 130 is like
okay,
1,000.
Listen, it's then not already get this to Zenda's phone. So it is already there are people when it comes to Niko phone Zwana up interview, Niko Kono Amba, Niko for you are well connected to. Like that effort will be different from other person who go for to konile mail and go balelo. Or communicate or not like uniko balelo miya wa now and wako azkwandana. So obviously ngas perform the way.
Yeah.
So if you know get us zitonga so. So if now nuko gera mtu anoko for konile mail kana ugo difesesa rune nuko balelo mushumo wanu.
Don't go get any favor.
Yeah, nuko balelo mushumo wanu ngandira nena ko to detanga. So ndiyane position zi affect na haircut ya mtu re. Ndiko baleliwa ngomutu like hako ndiri nawo watu niko gera ubizi ko disedzeseza. So like zibazi go limit and or ndita mshumanga na potential nga full potential or ndi givise ndi visa zote zinenda ko to visa zone for ugera haircut. So sinongana zo zya contribute.
Yeah.
Kuzwana.
Comes in and kweta zo kamunenge.
Ndinga at yeah,
ninga be up for na
and don't ties in the mini.
Yeah.
Ndonovaola muthu ne ndinotanganisa na vathu vanji vana dzi attitudes dzofambana nawo.
Yeah.
So I don't get pissed off.
Oh, easily.
Not easy.
Or at
I
all.
just don't get pissed off
At
na
all,
client. Unless kara ndikotondelela zvabukuma ndikufira ndikondelela apo zvinhu. Mara even though namusi ndikondelela ndina ndila ine ndingakona kuamba naye zvavudi. Uzwa ndizvino kamusi vamwe vathu vabalelwa zviita vapedza vachivolwa na client. So then namusi ndikufira kukondelela ndidoamba naye nga ndila yavudi sumbedza uri mini zvinokera zvona zvokakeya uko azvine vakotiwa vakwamisa zvone nani.
And then the ladies unawazana vanakodita vanera vanogerwa ngei ihlale china short hair nyana achiite chichida ngei
hayi
nandimadhida she has short hair also
hatisivagerapo mostly vazanavo ari tuvavona
vavazongodogeriwa
ari tuvavona client lingi yavazidana in that much kamsingori rozamo ufokasisa kuri it's a barbershop dictator barbershop so ari tuvavona market munji riyavagera vele vazana but mostly vathu vane vavadesa ndi vatukana that's why vona zori ndazvinorega shopone na muthu anoluka nyaya vazana vatha so vaconviseta mini ugereya but rinavo vane ravagera mara it's not like that a lot
so auna muthu ane ranga richimudiva ti
vavazana
chichigerwanga nechi ungochivona kasocial media ndine
I have to think hard on that one, but I don't remember anyone in Ekamsi is there.
Okay. And then speaking of all these things, I mean, because you've had dictator barbershop, I mean, the first thing I thought of was Legends Barber also. Or there's like Sunanga competition, and then those guys were like trying by all means to be big, but then you came and were able to beat them. Najiana clientele not yacht, but then some of the people were probably watching. How do you manage to do that for Brenda Kurani Yabalawat?
Around the secret Kurani Kazu to Zotene. Sine Kogera, what I was dealing is to make people happy.
Okay.
Like even now, I was busy trying to work with another branch, Pretoria. So when it comes to trying to beat those people, is to give all your best. So na mtu anaye kushuma shoponi yanga. Oda ndichitimitisa interview. Odogera watu vanotenda vararu vana. Kopesela odogerana. So now I know uri omtu ukukona guy una weakness guy. So nda make sure hapo enda bonore akukona one ndikoneta mini. Ndimutuse ona. Uri ene ajie chitela chinene ra dictator ra gerisa zvona. I won't say they were perfect. Like, you know, like zvichanda zvofambana zvidana kachenja muna mina zvote. But then I will try by all means uri agere in a good way. So now a lot of people today ndichikwamba zvino college and babas vava kulira ngori quality aishapu ndaenda giriwa amaraso ngonaka.
Yeah, I think everyone knows about that. People have been saying. You see, legends baba mara people.
That's what I get from most of people whenever I engage. And it's expensive, but then the quality it's bad.
Yeah, so it's not worth the price.
I felt like Legend Barber, one mistake that they did, they were trying to fasten up the growth, but they forget about the service.
Yeah. Vakubayira quality petuti.
Yeah, ndiribo end up vachikusukujia vatu staratani vane abatu va well equipped uri vajene ubaba shop ogera. Ngori ngodowana mtu una ugoguda tato yanu. Vomujia staratani, vomujia lokshini. Avakusukugera ngazugero za vamdava vomujia lokshini vampanga shoponi.
Yeah.
Na ugoguda tato yanu. Ugonifafa zesu za black. Nishisuka nchitamba yani sezulani. Azungotanak. So I feel like that's the difference. Nesonera kozama zone. We are not trying to grow fast, but we're trying to maintain the quality nendaba rabanayo uri. Even though if we have to grow, but we have to grow at the same level na quality nerabanayo. So we don't want now run a 5 shop, but now we're losing customers because like watu wako yangen basi what I mean. So nendizine kozama zone uri ndichiko aluwa to make sure uri namsi ndikofunda kuita imwentu branch. I have to make sure ndikotiyo tuwana same quality nenda banayo ndise kaimwe branch. So atiko todo zwa zvitu ngori I feel like nanga sedza zvino legend most of the shops ziko closer down.
Yeah.
Kare
Kana
nanga
wasn't about it at all.
nanga said last year or last of last year, there were like 51 store. We're opening a 60 number store. It's just repairing close, but now they are reopening. Because whenever our mission or times over more branch, but then they were forgetting what are the clients saying. Are the people happy inside the shop? Ndizinto abasunguzisenza ezo. So ndizinto sizine ndiso na experience anga ndingo ndiko beto make sure ndaso sokugidimelo oaruwa mara ndibe ndikutua na repetition inenda na ngori but but the dictator barber shop they get this type of haircut.
And then also, do you think in Norasoti, I would say you're expensive.
Yeah.
You really are expensive. Do you think what Banala mentality or Petunia Dura, it's where you're going to get the best service? When it comes to China Legends Baba, and then Vachiawana services right about what, and then they come to you, they still don't complain because for a HDO, it's worth what we get in. And then also, if I'm from Geranga 50 Rand, that's what I'm going to use because normally people cut for like 50 Rand, 60 Rand around here. And the other don't you like it's 130. I was like, okay, don't know one is a big brand. I mean, so I'm going to like try it out and I want to also write it. So in the Israel, so do you think or price you know also attracts more people because they think the quality is going to be the best?
Not really about pricing. Pricing is what's governors already. Where did the brand come from? How long is the brand?
Yeah, from 7 Rand.
Yeah, so like from building from there, so I can't just open a shop today and I want to go charge 200 out of nowhere. So it have to be something Zorua from somewhere to somewhere.
Yeah.
So or price dura as well as go about work okay, yeah. Velo or price dura about work expected a certain thing. Because like don't know zamo tola about zamo combat like says let's say for example ndo gulisa mutu. This person trainer ogo expector and ndumthole. Dare na musambuso ntiyore wa good use wa university urube lecturer mara uchifedza u lecturer au university ngasuthole kana wo fara degree ucheli ko nyonga mshumo do uzori yoto the mean yoto the experience somewhere so same thing nando ndo good iso gera ndo pa certificate developer but then you don't have that experience now to be at that show or you are not in the level yeah shopolanga so you have to go somewhere uno udoboko utendero I mean mistake like 20 rand 30 rand muntu agerwa
was not
nazo mara now uchiko charge a certain amount of money waboketa mistake people won't abangastanganezi izinto so
yeah ne I think it's got to make sense. So not really so jamore but when baba hone can you trust them you know they will do what you can do.
Yeah, there's no way you work for me if you didn't go through that process.
And then also when people come there don't they have that thing I want you to cut.
It's everywhere.
Yeah.
This when it comes to you now but vanjiba wana problem but yeah stop like legend because they don't have to choose their baba.
Whoever is available to cut them.
There's now zikomesa pesa chiapanda because like things go in progress. Obviously ndikopata ndundi azidwari ndoguma guy namusi ndikotopatisani machelo so mugeri wanu wadwari machelo ndikotoimprove guy ndichia guy
it was one exactly yeah
so now in namusi ndikogera ngamwe machelo mungodana zvawo mungota mistake yawo so now it's a whole mess.
And then I saw a video yamsiniko was it a promo video on YouTube yeah BMS so I think nakogera hot was that you showing us sorry there's money in Babaka na Ntuvimini. It was just a brand in a partnership now with BMW. Because also, like now, not danga BM food. So, someone to come tonight. In a partnership now.
I'm a Beamer boy.
So, that's why do you have a partnership with them? Can I phone? I mean,
the thing is, like, at this point, in the end, don't have the backup position in there. A lot of things just came. Like, in this, so, at Chawola Mutwane, they are about to go table as the opportunity. Opportunity comes to me. Don't know the way brand yanga is there. Nendito vandu kuvuwa ndayogera.
Yeah.
This is ndaita zone and then things just come to me. Like I get different calls from different people. Yo, I have this. I want you to do this. I want you. This is like that's my life. Nendo focus come shumo and nendo focus ko gera.
Oh, but all that.
The other things just fell apart. Like I'm not trying to chase anything. Like don't chase for enough.
Yeah.
Now I'm working. I have something that I know. because the warriors to the guy, so I'm just working on that.
Yeah.
So yeah, BM, hey, it's a lot of things, it's a great idea. It's crazy, like
there's money. I know, it's
yeah,
all about money.
There's a lot of money.
Yeah,
I can say that. But then it reached you a pain, at this point, and experiences, I feel like Vatuba, one time you already valid at some point, but they don't want to see you succeed to
a level ni probably nangavapira chimwe
To a
chipinga
certain
kana
level.
natwana vasiyesa.
Yeah. I feel like Zonuska
Do you have friends like that?
not like friends, but just people around.
Neighbors, relatives, something like that.
And just people.
Because obviously you wouldn't care about people when they don't care about you.
That's what I'm saying. It's just like a life experiences when it comes to you. You're starting to know, like realize, well, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm driving this car. Some people are acting this way. Oh, they didn't think because in the Geramabuzi, I'd got you over this type of person. So in this when it comes to Tomos, all I'm talking about is kanuko rengsa mini shoponi.
No.
Kanuna.
I have a friend who does remisa so.
Like now, since when I started pasting that BM, and I went to go banga. Yeah, what about mamba zoezi? All I'm gonna.
Vapakela no watu. Yeah.
I feel like it's not good. Sabatu batsu ne. Nibatu mumbula suza so kama muturi ugoita suza so ne. Ndo naptanzi rola mtu ushuma. Okay, not to napta. Una kuzwita vele. But to me, I don't think I recited that.
You just don't have proof urukweta spiyo. So believe whatever you've seen them doing.
It's fine. Whatever you say, whatever. But then I will keep focusing on what I'm doing, and then you are not the one who's succeeding. I'm succeeding. So keep talking about me. Whatever you say about me, it's okay. I know facts.
Yeah.
That I have proof of everything that I do. My family knows what I do.
Oh, I think that's the most important thing.
Yeah, so I don't need you. Even people around me knows what I do. So I don't need to go around now trying to prove to you that I don't do this. Whatever that you assume that I do, it's up to you.
Yeah.
I have to do my own thing.
And then also, speaking of Kirin and all these things, I did say we're going to talk about it later. I saw you doing the initiative, the free card, the free shoes. Where does that whole thing come from now?
I feel like Zen and Daru Zone is different.
In what way?
I like to see this or Atina Ola Miori. About your shine and then do thing of Gera.
I don't think
that's why I'm not going to share now to what Tevana Cobonas, Moon, like he's living life now.
Or a
Benz.
No, it depends. Oh,
yeah. Pierre Mendin.
From Pierre Mendin.
So,
yeah.
The all I'm trying to article young with the one and go shine and in the hot thing. So, on the Chinabuzana Tomonomini, the reason why I don't decision you're going to get, I said, I want to be an example. The two towards the Momutu, the inspire Momutu Ori. Yeah. Abonu Gera Samini, Sakeri, and then Atebere Ori, the same path. So, if now I have to be the one, I never talk on Bangai or dictating Gary. No. Then they never proud but watch Kwambanga, I won't about to Bani. Dova fat, and then the fat about Banjo Gera. I am not going to be berry.
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 Oh, berry.
Yeah, then I'm turning and Gudisa. Namratwang and the Banangi. Then I'm turning to Gudisa. Like, and don't out of nowhere. And it's not like Nimratwang or Marofani.
Oh.
Like, it's just someone that I know. Ratuma, I was the Zuzunga looked down. He was just there. He was literally finished. Nobody has a believer and something. But look at him now. He's doing very well.
In
Hey, let me say no comment to that.
No, I saw, but also your VSOP, everything.
The thing is like,
I was like, yeah, that's what I was thinking the whole time.
Okay.
I'm enjoy it.
As a student, I was not exposed to that. The student, exposed now, so I just those things, and then I got one as like NS Zirafalanta. It was the day of the opening. Like Rico celebrate and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So zvitizvanga malo
Asiso zvaro.
nditofaravo ngorivo sometimes just
Yeah, to celebrate.
to celebrate. That one I can admit to and that and it's fun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then how do you choose the schools dzinena apa zvienda nantu nogera vana vavo?
Mostly it's about people when it comes to first of all rotomone again. Oh, okay. Rachizvitomeza zviti. Aona mumukana kuita internship pasi ya shop yanga. So let's do this and then ampamumbulu and then rambo this Thomas. So chadumulani guy. Lenga chachumbula chiawelo kwa guy. It was Dupsloot.
Yeah.
So we went there for probably 10 pairs or 11 pairs. So the narrators when I reach out to Robert send the email.
Yeah.
It was send the email complete as so. And then I repair complete list here whenever no go to them in. Because remember students so as soon as go for another go to the colony out of nowhere.
Yeah, you need to know.
So there have to be a communication colony narine. So then that team young decided okay, we reach out and then we found the sizes. Because so but banjaba konuzu understand vas go fisori Resiko vuwa ratu warofara uniform.
Kana isabela vana decides to
what chamber for. Ogozwana. So so ndiri ndeba na everything. So nena goes do okay riko tu warofara so much. Ndibona vana ba 30 vana go to the so. Vana ba 30 uka grade mini, uambara size mini. So niko to no fara zote. Ore na sore na go to now no to no fara zoenda. Nchisuka ngeni. No fara zoenda za size 4.
Yeah.
Asikodova zavasina vatu vambara ngori anansa the sizes za vana. So nikoto communicator from chikolo vani pa the sizes za vana no renga exactly zvinezva kuti yakamini kavana. So right zvezvo rasikara vagera. And the other things now sizogera asisikosuka chikoloni mwana anokulirira agiriwa. Rido budza chikolo rio rikotoda udogera vatu rikotoda ugera vatu va certain obviously ngasukara gera chikolo chote.
Yeah.
Rikari kotoda 10 konyanga 20 kumbula vatu va 20 vane vafusori va kanidi yamini yori vageriwa vadopa vana maripi vatamini vatoma ayani
vabebe pa consent
va confirm okay yeah mwana ngageriwe ngori now zvitizo so zvadini ngori now nochikusuka ngeni nagera mwana vatu
nagera Simpson chani ngei chikolo
yeah achiwosuka yani miya ukaona mwana na cut
yeah
zino vatu vaume sikoloni vasikoenda valwa na vadedizi so sinongazo nokuri namusero nozvikani ngei una vanhu vana vava vachibolilera tamini ugeriwa mara ngatani hawo yomula namusakolira hani aringamugeri ngori angoona permission yamini inobva pakamubhebhi wavo so ritova ri kuchimudza process so radiva size so yeah lechiguma raro soweto.
Yeah, I think it's a good thing, man. Giving back, it's always the best thing.
Yeah.
As long as you're not doing it to avoid the tax, man. So that's all.
It's also a way. So it's not a problem.
Okay.
It's also a problem. Like if you're a business, you have to do that.
Yeah.
That's a better way to do it.
Okay.
Because obviously, tax, you still have to pay tax anyway. True. So if Karoko, you avoid the Maroc, there's something better.
Yeah, it's beneficial.
It's beneficial.
Yeah. Okay. And then in closing, the business is running. Obviously, you have stress.
Too much.
So do you have someone and they're keeping you calm at night or you can rest on me?
The sharp.
Why? I thought they would do. Can I still wanna be looking around? Come on,
I feel like I tried. I'm just not in that stage anymore.
What happened?
I don't know if I see you, Runji. But then
Runji? Yeah, not when I Pongo, I get it.
Okay, I didn't admit it. But because of history, they decided to focus the car on the moon now. The history, I feel
like the moment a person says that I want to focus on myself, I always saw the seriously. They've never. There's no way.
I don't do before. I'm gonna buy you. No one will do somewhere somehow.
It's a good bag.
I want to buy you.
Yeah, I want to VIP.
So, don't device you. So, Zitor and the good is you too. The lane is you too. So, the first, no, I feel like Zolfuno as long as zvine kamsi ndichandosidza kazvo at the moment vatu vaone vodala vele but hai ushapu zvezvo ndikopfuura ndishapu ndidozviita.
And then how are the women, man? Ndoenda vachijaina vana blind like there's like APK ndipi inefara vana kuti
APK is the best.
why uitwa mini APK chine tofu yao because normally I feel when they will think of humanities, all those things. Is that what they do in that side?
There's law, there's engineering. Yeah,
there's a few. Yeah, I get it, Mara.
But it's a bit. The thing is, like, it's just it's the main campus. So
not commerce.
Yeah, I think there's
as long as there's accounting,
accounting is there. Yeah,
because also with us, West Campus,
Yeah, so yeah, and just so there's a lot of people. But now there's
a fish for everyone.
And then drain financially.
Oh, okay. In terms of technical faces.
Yeah, so don't forget so the fishery namtene comes in. I could do something with Shonia where Nesbas go and because like now the wash to then I took already I took a mind about utakusa mumut. But at least if you're doing something for yourself,
I don't go
shuma rod. So then I said now there's nothing you're doing in your life. So I feel like it's a big problem for me. It's a stagnation. It's supposed to go and so at least the nangam to somewhere somehow. I still feel like a man, but not like everything now is just go vacant. You have nothing to do. You have nothing to buy for me. Nothing to feel like we're go funiwa. Want you wrangle a cap?
Also, why are you wearing a cap? No, Giri. Like as you look different now. Now you don't look like Davido.
Keep a signature and you're in the lineage.
Yeah, but then it doesn't make sense. What's the whole point of catching your hair if you go to a cap?
I cut my hair every Saturday. Not getting a Saturday, but not free. Madam was going to go down for this interview.
Actually, for people like me, do you have like subscriptions? Because I know
that
or I'm going to cut my hair after like 8 weeks, 9 weeks.
So subscription in Ravana, a normal cut is like 420.
What's a normal cut? What I do?
Just a clean cut, nothing fancy. 420, you get 4 haircuts whenever you're available.
420?
Yeah, you just pay once off.
That's reasonable.
And then Havana 520, you save 520 or save 120. In Andela, sorry, what in a spray. So you just pay once off. As long as comes to Badira University, or Badira Kesha, you pay less.
Yeah.
But if you pay monthly,
there's like interest.
Yeah.
And
So
everything.
yeah. So now I pay same time. We will go Badira, go save more.
Yeah, I will text you and check on that because but then I was doing it to fee. It should be in a month.
No. I was just before, but I was wondering. People are not superstars. They are not about diamond or whatever consistently. I prefer to after 2 weeks and stuff like that. So whenever you're available, you can come get a haircut anytime. But as long as it's 4 haircuts, we give you a membership card, which you get all the time, and then we mark it. Second time we mark it until first time. Then you pay again.
I think that's the one I'm coming for now. Now I got my one. Okay, and then contact detail for it. When those who want to come to your store also. Is it a store? No, to your barber shop.
A barber shop.
Yeah.
Riwana 23 Boulevard, Melville. Or Bangasoko Sechori Dictator Barber Shop.
Yeah, I think that's the best.
Yeah,
Dictator Boulevard is dope.
Yeah, okay. Dictator Barber Shop. But when Jenandre comes back, guy. Vajena ka Uber kana Bolt. Bango Dictator Barber Shop. Ego over. Or kara bago shumisa whatever bago driver whenever and bago jena ka Google Map. I type out Dictator Barber Shop. Ego over. Kazi social media riona ka Facebook, Instagram, na TikTok. So dia ka Instagram ndi Dictator_barbershop. And then ka Facebook ndi Dicta, the barber man. But it's linked to even I'm so ka search ka Dictator Barbershop even na Facebook. And same thing na ka TikTok Dictator_barbershop.
And then who cuts your hair?
There's one guy in my shop over Kongera.
So then I know him. So he's the second best.
not like I don't want to rate them.
Oh, ngishaurisa abashumi.
Yeah, ndinavashumi so ndingasikona kuti ambori nyinyi kana mini.
Yeah.
So ndifesori ndiyena naungera queen.
Yeah.
Tizvinhu zvafamba dzopambana mumwe muthu ukona zvimwe uspecialisa kazvimwe so ndifesori ho ndiyena naungera zvine ndakotoda zvone zvequeen.
Yeah. Okay, I get you, man. Thanks a lot for coming.
Cheers, my brother.
I've been to Davido. Yeah, shout out for
Davido.
coming. And then a number of that. You should cut him also.
Davido. Nah.
Number Diamond Platinum, so you can hook you up and then you
I'll see.
know.
Maybe.
And then, anyways, to you guys.
Number phone.
Oh, yeah, number phone.
Number phone, wangakoma 076 60 11 758. 076 60 11
758.
Oh, okay.
And then I get money now.
And
then I'm a millionaire. Yeah, so as I was still saying to you guys, thanks a lot. If you're not going to shika no ni korebu was up kuma man, then means a lot. Ngobona rari kubidza watu vaso, rari kunyanga zvasori. Who would have thought mutane ngotogera mabudzi can be a millionaire? Ngotogera pedzi without anything underlying. So shout out to Panda Studio, still coming live from their studios 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then this episode was brought to you by MR21 True Respect Funerals and Insurance. Jamin. Wangu jambi. Kana ndongera. Maginya.
No, serious.
Oh, the product.
Yeah, so actually they were one those young. Come stand go running ngombudzisa. Sorry, but
yeah, so I think that was my doing.
Yeah, so zineza go shuma kazo as we know we have our own branding. And our product is out zine ziko doba soon. So that's go on a take a lot website. Reply now macro this week like so the suppliers ne ringa di supply kazo na ka different mashop. Rina shampoo.
Yapambana guy na land inara itswa orderani richiko tu.
This is our own. Ndizvinenda kushuma nazo for the past 3 years.
Oh.
So we have to went to the laboratory, retest zvacho zibe zvacho. Ari kutokopa zvimwe zvavatu. Zingredients dzavamwe vatu.
Oh, so you have your own lab unena bika chona chimwe.
Oh. So these are just the samples nezobva zvino. So dzikodobva dzobrandiwa zvavo the Dictator Barber Shop hair food and hair food.
Hair food it I mean.
Ndiyamabudzi like ufeed ndingatori usibona kodora
like after showering ndodora ndichidora mapfura muviri ndidora
nato yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey ndi hair growth vara vachikotomowa kuti amine zvamabudzi avachikotowa
yes and this mine
ndikoto ndizvanga ndingasiya nazo
apena ndo plan ndo kusoneta ndari tokwatura
and then endi permanent like vatu vanonga mabudzi anga so as wave ndizviti zvine apply zones and then brush mabudzi avo.
How do you do waves at home? Apparently nyashumisa sunlight and all that. Is it true?
This is the one.
Pomade for waves.
Yeah. So kodova na spray but just this one just the samples was on a shining spray samabudzi all shining zvazo fafadzira zvapensa mabudzi na nazvo zikodova. So these are just the bottles never cover for now.
Is this a spray?
Yeah.
Chitonga mapfura musi.
Yeah, but then cheese no spray ichi chitu nicho fafadzira but then those container kasuzona zvamini so fafadzira just that's one are just the samples.
Yeah.
Zvinondi kuti mandashumisa rina mousse.
What's mousse now? Mousse ni ndaidhiva ndiyantu. Oh, ndila zvine right one tuni.
Zvishumise sona ngavazidzana.
Yes, ndayangoita manda mbrazo. Itwa ngafi mini.
Na vangazviita. Azingasoita chii.
Nditogamura mabudzi ti.
It's fine. Azingasitowa bad.
Tenda show yopera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
there's a lot musi.
Yeah, I think yeah, so
no wonder you're a millionaire.
So ndizvinyosi zvinereko.
Iyo yesara pondi yami.
And this is stindo just zviviri.
Oh, if I wanna double jump in chiti start.
No tight. Then yamabudzi never come.
And then prices.
Prices are just zviamba zvino. Those yamba when everything is out. This is never those go on everywhere. Vangaziwana shop when vadogeriwa. So those cuz shelf. So kwambo archadu bar ko ring sazvino zva things brand will be selling our own brand now. Now vakazungwana everywhere wherever vanado avahone. Vakojena ka take a lot, vakojena ka website vakozvirenga and then you purchase them.
Yeah, this really shows you really are and you really love Suzanne Tuzogera.
This is what I live for. This is my life.
Because if you're able to get here, keve umaginya vakuzokuita mavone anotodzitera mavone naini because you love podcasting and stuff yeah nanirete timodzitera zitablet
kana vangaita madhi kana vaita zvimwe zvitu
madhiri nawo
arorosangori madhi vana brand
mshumo ungasite chino chavaone
or whatever hoodie or t-shirt because I also have branding nazikipa zine we aren't rich but we can afford but now I can afford but anyway
so these are the products guys ngodzivona dzoperera nepa 1 2 3 4 5 6 ngadzivona dzonobva voma10 aisara chiobvisa I never know vathu valebo vadzira kuita zviri at least hawo lebo zvandanzva zvikotomopenya man anyways back to you guys so thanks a lot nokunosvika pano comrade and if you are around Joburg just go and try him out nivone zvine akuita I'm just saying try out because you know the second time na mini must try you go in there because you like it the same way I did see where I'm gonna go totewo chaiwa zvinhu that's when to get it ndokumagara chila chipinga you know that yeah it's fine but then anyways bye and then to you one last one so I'll see you man subscribe ange so speaking of subscriptions don't forget to subscribe to ours also we're on the road to 20k and then by the end of the day we can reach 50k man anything is possible that's consistency true. Quality which is what Panda is giving us Ronana sponsor we can do whatever we want so shout out I'll see you on the next one bye
cheers out